Welcome to Smart Stock Watch. Today is January 28th, 2025, and we're diving into Crane's fourth quarter 2024 earnings report. Joining us is John, senior analyst from Smart Stock Watch. John, Crane has reported some impressive numbers this quarter. Can you give us a brief overview of the company and the highlights from this report?
Absolutely. Crane is a leading manufacturer of highly engineered components for aerospace, defense, and process industries. In Q4 2024, they reported a 12% increase in sales to $544 million, with an adjusted EPS of $1.26, up 58% from last year. The company also initiated a strong full-year 2025 EPS guidance and announced a 12% increase in their annual dividend.
Revenue and profitability overview. Let's start with the top line. Crane reported net sales of $544 million for Q4 2024, which is a 12% increase compared to last year. John, what are the key drivers behind this growth?
The growth was primarily driven by an 8% increase in core sales, along with a 4% contribution from acquisitions. The aerospace and electronics segment, in particular, showed strong performance, contributing significantly to the overall sales increase. Additionally, the adjusted operating profit rose by 38% to $96 million, reflecting higher volumes and improved productivity.
Segment performance. Crane's segments have shown robust performance. Can you break down the results for aerospace and electronics and process flow technologies?
Sure. The aerospace and electronics segment reported sales of $237 million, up 11% from last year, with an adjusted operating margin of 23.1%. This was driven by core sales growth and the Vian acquisition. Meanwhile, process flow technologies saw a 13% increase in sales to $307 million, with an adjusted operating margin of 20.3%, benefiting from acquisitions like CryoWorks and Technifab.
Cash flow and financial position. Let's talk about Crane's cash flow and financial position. How did they perform in this area?
Crane generated $202 million in operating cash flow during Q4 2024, with a free cash flow of $188 million. Their cash balance stands at $307 million, and they have total debt of $247 million. This strong cash flow positions them well for future investments and strategic acquisitions.
EPS forecast and analyst expectations. Crane's adjusted EPS of $1.26 beat the analyst forecast of $1.19. What does this tell us about the company's performance and future outlook?
Beating the forecasted EPS indicates Crane's strong operational execution and ability to manage costs effectively. The 58% growth in adjusted EPS is impressive, and their 2025 guidance of $5.30 to $5.60 suggests continued confidence in their growth trajectory, driven by strong demand in key segments.
Strategic initiatives and future outlook. Crane has been active in strategic initiatives. Can you elaborate on their future outlook and strategic moves?
Crane is projecting a 5% sales growth for 2025, with core sales growth between 4% and 6%. They've increased their dividend by 12%, reflecting confidence in their cash flow. Strategic acquisitions like Vian, CryoWorks, and Technifab are expected to bolster their market position and drive long-term value.
Key takeaways. In summary, Crane has delivered a strong performance in Q4 2024, with significant sales and EPS growth and a positive outlook for 2025. Thank you for joining us, John, and thank you to our viewers for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Smart Stock Watch. We'd love to hear your thoughts on Crane's performance in the comments below.
Thank you for having me. It's been a pleasure discussing Crane's impressive results and future prospects.